With many kids off school for the holidays and parents trying to get the house ready for the family festivities, there's no better time to share a DIY project from the effortless girl Julie Lovin that is family friendly to keep the kids busy and entertained so you can get a bit of a breather. Let's get crafty and Christmassy. We're joined once again by the effortless girl Julie Lovin because it is the festive season, the time of year where DIY crafters really shine. Julie, and you're going to give us a perfect example of something that can keep maybe the kids out of parents' hair during the really hectic few days leading up to.
Absolutely. Merry Christmas Eve. This project today is completely adorable. You can use it for next year, but it's a perfect Christmas Eve project to do with kids. Kids can do this on their own. It's something to keep them busy when you're cooking and wrapping and doing all the last minute madness. This is the perfect project for your children. Or if you've done all of that, God bless you, you get a gold star and you can just make these today for fun. But what we're making is snowmen, and I made two different types, snowmen ornaments made from tea light. And I'm just going to show you. They are so cute. You can do a snowman with earmuffs or a snowman with a traditional top hat. The tea lights are 2 for $1 at any dollar store or any craft store right now. If you're probably starting to get some Christmas sales, so you may get these even less. But all you need is a couple of craft supplies, mix and match, use what you have. You probably already have tons of wrapping supplies right now anyway, use those. But start with the tea light, and the little nose is the orange carrot. So you've got that. You can draw on the tea light. Just do the eyes for the snowman. So just do 2 eyes. Use a Sharpie or a permanent marker, and then do the mouth. And so I have drawn one already, and I've started that one. And I like the earmuff snowman better. So what I did is had a craft dot. This can be any kind of fuzzy material that you have. If you have a little bit of a pipe cleaner, you can use that. And I used a red pipe cleaner, and I glued the top, a little small piece of that onto one side. I use hot glue because it dries faster. Small hands should not be using hot glue. And then just glue the other earmuff on. Hold it for just a second so it will dry. And then that's what you get. So I drew the face with the marker, turned on the nose just so you have a little bit more light while you're tracing. And then I have an earmuff. You can use a little bit of red and white ribbon. You can even use a pipe cleaner, red ribbon, any kind of ribbon that you have right now. We probably have a lot of it. And just make the little ornaments. And they are so adorable on the tree. You can give them out as party favors, for everybody that comes for Christmas or holiday lunch, whatever you celebrate. And this is so simple, and I think it's adorable and very low cost. This costs under $1 to make the snowman.
Now, if we're giving this to the kids for their Christmas Eve project to keep them busy, would something like Elmer's glue work just as good as the hot glue gun?
Elmer's glue, even the glue dots that are the adhesive sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Great, especially if you're doing the hat. You could even use Scotch tape. I just cut a piece of dark paper, added a small piece of ribbon that I already had, added a little pipe cleaner scarf at the bottom. So all of these materials I had from either gifts that have already come in. I always save ribbon because you never know. And this is very simple for children, almost no glue at all. This can be completely Scotch taped with the hat.
That is such
Isn't
a
it
clever
cute?
idea.
So cute.
This is just, it's great as a gift, as a party favor to, if you line a tree with these, have a Christmas party, tell people, hey, as you go, take one of the ornaments home with you.
Or have a snowman bar set up so everybody can come in and make their own. You can mix and match with different craft supplies. People can get creative with their markers and their snowman faces. There's lots and lots of different variations on this, and I just think it's so cute and completely affordable.
Now, Julie, with it being the time of year where crafting really comes to the forefront, where can people go for a step-by-step breakdown, a materials list for this project, but a lot of inspiration for other projects as well?
Absolutely. All of this will be on my Instagram at The Effortless Girl or effortlessgirl.com, on Facebook and Twitter at The Effortless Girl.
And as always, we are going to make sure that all the links you need, everything to connect with Julie and to recreate this craft yourself at your house, it's all going to be available after the show today over on 9and10news.com. Julie Lovin, always, always a pleasure, and have a wonderful Christmas.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Happy holidays to you, Julie.